As bugs emerge in spring, some will want to snack on your plants. Check out a few tips to protect your garden from spring pests. 1. Clean gardening supplies. Before using your shears and other tools, wash them with soap and water. Clean your pots and containers too. 2. Use row covers. Row covers allow light and water to reach your plants but keep unwanted bugs out. 3. Attract beneficial insects. Certain bugs, like lacewings and ladybugs, are beneficial because they eat harmful pests. Some plants, like yarrow and dill, can attract these helpful bugs. 4. Keep plants healthy. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests. Make sure your plants receive enough water and sunlight. 5. Rotate crops. Planting your crops in different spots each year can deter pest activity. Bugs will have a harder time finding their preferred plant. 6. Plant bug-repelling plants. Some plants, like mint, rosemary, and marigolds, naturally repel pests. Add these bug-repelling plants to your garden to help keep pests away. 7. Use a plant-based insecticide spray. Our 3-in-1 garden spray kills pests on contact and provides residual repellency. It can help to keep insects, mites, and diseases from harming your plants. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.